Alright, hi guys. So this is going to be my first video. You all will be starting online learning on Tuesday, and you need to be able to navigate the location of the files and what exactly you need to do. Do not complete any of the assignments early because you will not be counted for attendance purposes. So please make sure that you are logging on every day. You will have a question of the day every day, and you need to make sure that you answer that question of the day before 2 p.m. on a daily basis. If you do not, then you will be counted absent and I will be making phone calls to your parents. So please make sure that you log on and answer the discussion question on the assigned day. If you do not answer it on the assigned day, then it will not count for attendance. I'm also going to be showing you your assignments and what you need to do in order to be able to log on. And then we will be going through a couple of initial teaching pieces. So I need to make sure that you completely understand how to navigate this site. I will also have office hours every day from 3 to 4, and they will be sending you that link, and I will also be posting it on this website. So please make sure that you're looking at your emails and you are checking on this website on a daily basis. So when you first come onto this website, you're going to go ahead and look for your class. So we're going to go ahead and go with UCLA. Once you log into your class, you are going to be noticing that there is a main page that's going to have information for you, and then all of your upcoming classwork that you need to do. Um, so the classwork piece is up here. You would click classwork and it's going to show you the question of the day. Again, do not answer the question of the day until the 24th. If you already have answered it, you will have to log in on the 24th and you will have to answer it again. So please make sure that you are doing that every single day. Every single day you will have a question. Then your lessons, your first lesson is going to be lesson one biomes. So you will click on lesson one biomes. It's going to give you a reading. It's going to give you some ecosystems and it's going to give you some vocabulary slides that you need to know. So you will have to review all three of these. Once you are done reviewing your lessons, then you go to your assignments. Your first assignment is to have your economy notes printed. So your environment and ecosystem notes printed. So you will all go ahead and open this and you can go ahead and take notes on your paper if you do not have a printer. And then after you take your notes on the paper, you will just take a picture and you can upload it to this assignment. Or you can also open up a Google Doc. You can type in your notes there, and then you can go ahead and submit that as well. So it is your choice on how you want to submit the notes. Once you finish your notes, you will go to assessments, and your exit ticket is here. It's called closed reading. You're only going to be doing Science 1 and Science 2. And when you scroll down on your assignments, it is going to show you the place to enter it. So see how it says Google Forms closing Science 1 and Google Forms closing Science 2. Once you click on it, it's going to give you options on where to answer the questions and how to answer the questions. So blank 1 is whatever word you choose, you're going to put it in there. Blank 2, whatever word you choose, you're going to put it in there. And so this looks like this form here. It's going to ask you to make sure you verify your email account, and then it's going to be asking you to answer blank 1, blank 2, blank 3, and so forth. So this is the way that you're going to be looking and answering these questions on this site. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can email me, you can text me on my phone, or you can sign in for office hours at 3:15. I'm sorry, from 3 to 4. Um, this is a review of the biomes, so you first have to do the readings. There are different biomes that we haven't covered yet, but this is going to be the general idea. Since we are not doing paper copies, we were going to suspend when it comes to where you are actually creating that booklet for your student-led conferences. And we will be resuming that as soon as they let us know if we're going to be going back to school on April the 6th. So we are still waiting. Once we know, we're going to go ahead and roll that out because we want to make sure your parents have a nice packet to see when they come to your student-led conferences. So this is, like I said, you will first complete the readings, the picture vocabulary, complete your notes, and then complete your exit ticket. Every day, something new will pop up. You will be having your lessons every other day, just like the lessons that we had at school. And we will have deeper and more intense videos with different teaching skills as we go. So for the first one that you're going to be doing, when you come into your classroom and you click on your classwork, you will see the lessons. So first, you're going to start with the lesson, which is ecosystems and Environment Explorer Student Guide. Once you open that up, it's going to show you a reading. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to do the reading. And you're going to complete the student journal. You are only going to do pages 1, 2, and 3. No, sorry. You're going to do pages 1 and 2. So you will do pages 1 and 2, and then once you read those pages, you're going to complete the notes. You're going to complete the notes in assignments for biome notes, and when you open this up, it's going to show you the questions. So you're going to answer questions 1 through 3. So these are the 3 pages that you're going to be completing based off of the reading that you read. And then you will look at the vocabulary. So it also has on this lesson, it does have some vocabulary. And this vocabulary is in order for you to be able to understand more of what ecosystems are and what the biomes are, and it will also help you answer the questions. So make sure that you are going back and forth with your picture vocabulary and your notes for the biomes. Once you complete the notes, like I said, you can either open up a separate Google Doc, complete it and attach it, submit it to me, or you can email it to me. It just depends on where you are going. You do have access on Google Drive to create any kind of documents, and you will be able to edit them as much as possible. If you don't have any questions, then I can't wait to have another video uploaded for you and making sure that we are going along with all of our projects. Thank you. I miss you guys a lot, and I will hope to see you very, very soon.